Welcome back, everybody. Got Jeff, my neighbor, and his son coming down the... Where is he? I'm on the wrong dock. Right there. Jack coming down the dock. So we're gonna go out and try to catch some bottom fish and some crabs. Got the big pots again, gonna drop them in the ocean. Go see what we can do. Stick around.
I'll trust you.
Watch that rope right there. Up under your feet.
Okay, yeah. We're clear. How deep are we? Oh,
30 feet. About. Tangled up ropes.
You are as bad as I am.
Hey, it's on the bottom though. Pot number 2. Pot number 3. Overboard. Another tangle. Come here. All right.
They're a slow line.
So we got a double here.
We'll see.
Maybe.
No, it looks like
Hell yeah, that's a teeny tiny lingcod.
I've never
There,
seen
it
one.
came off. That's good. All right, go back down, both of you. We had a teeny tiny lingcod and a
seen one that
false alarm. There's my buddy Clyde over there. He wanted to come out and go fishing, see where we go. Put some few marks on his fish finder so that he can come out by himself later. So I brought him out today. That's partly why we're out here. Partly so that my neighbor could catch a fish. And he did catch one. Didn't realize it was on, reeled it in. So we have one on board. It is a very, very slow day of fishing today. Or at least for us it is. Alright, old Jack hooked up. Don't let any slack on there when you make sure you reel down, you keep it tight.
Pull up and reel down.
Keep it tight when they go.
Starfish. I've seen
Oh,
that.
I'm very
I
lucky.
wondered if that's what it was.
Huh.
Alrighty, we do that every now and again.
Well.
I never knew you could do that for a long time. Hey, Jeff got hooked up here. See what we can do. What you got, Jeff? Oh, it's a black sea bass. Bring it on.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, bring it right here. That's decent. Decent. Good. Only the number 3 on the boat, but hey, we'll take it.
Barely. Look at that.
Alrighty. See if we can get him a fish in the boat.
Yeah, just take it slow.
Hey, if it's a big long lingcod, don't pull it out of the water. We'll have to gaff it.
You gotta tell me what that is. I have no idea.
The one like I just caught. In the beginning.
If it's
Balance.
you don't have to be in a hurry.
What is it?
It's a big rock.
Oh, it's 2 rockfish. Alright, pull them in. Sweet. Just pull them in quick.
There you go.
Good job. Well, you didn't have
is
to
like
beat us
salmon
both.
You didn't have. It's like kind of like salmon fishing, Jack. Here
You
you
didn't
go.
have to just go ahead. I mean, I know you didn't have a fish before this, but you didn't have to get 2 of them.
That's pretty good.
Kind of
First pot of the day. See what we got.
really heavy.
There you got some weight.
Heavy. Sand dab on it. Don't give up.
You took the reins.
I'm trying to help you. Your project here.
Pole, we're good on the drift, so.
There it is. Oh, there's nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, you got 1 keeper, maybe 2. All right, set it up here on this. We'll move on out into the ocean a little bit. Well, that's disappointing. Pot number 2. Let's see what we can get here. Hopefully better than the first one. That first one was a disappointment, but it may have been on edge or something like that because of the way it went in. Hey, come around the side of the boat with that. There you go. Now pull it up.
I need help. There.
Hopefully. There's some nice ones in there. Some nice ones in there. There's a big daddy.
Okay.
All right.
I'm
Now we're
happy
still
now.
upside down. All right, we're letting those guys pull our last pot. See what they get over there. If I can hold steady, the boat keeps turning. These are the guys that we brought out with us to show them where to go. Well, not terrible many in there, but they got a few. Yeah, they might have a few keepers, I don't know yet. All right, stick around, we'll see what we get at the end. Gotta get the bridge in the backdrop. Well, we didn't do just super good today, but we got
Well, for one,
a few
for our
here.
family, it's fine. But then if it was both families,
So we got five rock bass and let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7 crabs. The other guy's got 3 crabs, I think is what they said. What do you guys say, Jeff?
I gotta say it's good for one family and not enough for yours.
That's good. I don't mind.
Yep.
What about you, Jack? Worth going or no?
It was worth it.
Okay. Well, at least they think it's worth it. So, thanks for watching.